after my 16th birthday and I'm currently in Vancouver. Anyway, I don't normally wear makeup actually. I don't think I've worn makeup in any of my videos. Anyway, I don't normally wear makeup, mainly because I don't wake up early enough during the school years. I'm not a morning person and I also don't sleep that much anyway. But I thought because I'm in Vancouver and it's the day after my 16th birthday and I have time, I would film a get ready with me. Because my skin is pretty good, I don't have any base products, so we're just gonna skip that. I use this, it's the e.l.f. brow stuff for contouring my face. I watched a lot of Pony when I was younger. Also, Stitch and Makeupaholic. I watched a lot of her too because her eye shape is pretty similar to mine. She's so pretty. Her eye shape is pretty similar to mine. I can learn a lot from watching Stitch and Makeupaholic. I don't even know how to pronounce it properly, but I hope I am because she's a pretty lit person. If you know anything about K-beauty, you know Pony, so this is pretty standard Pony. Under the lip, and then the chin. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Can you tell that I bought all of this during one of their 50% off sales? Because I did. I'm gonna take this shade right here and put it all over my lid. Which one did I point to with this brush? Anyway, I don't feel very different as a 16-year-old. Now it goes more from, oh, I'm a year older, blah, 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 to, oh, I'm a year closer to college admissions and big life decisions and whatnot. So there's that. I'm gonna take this. It's an e.l.f. one of the dollar brushes. And I'm gonna take this shade and kind of block off the edge of my crease with it. And then I'm going to put it on the inside. My tear duct? Yeah. Now I'm going to take a liner and take this purple shade and run it really close to my lash line. And then on my under eyes as well. I have a sample Lancôme eyeliner and I'm going to go ahead and put that in my waterline. Anyway, now I'm going to take a lip color. This is Colourpop's LBB. And I'm going to dab that on my lips. Because I know a lot of you guys are new, I kind of want to film a Q&A. And I guess just leave comments asking me. It can be about like academics, it can be more personal as well. I honestly don't care, and then I'll go through them if anybody leaves any and I will respond to them in another video. I guess my next one, right? Yeah. Because I have really thick brows, I honestly don't do that much. Alright, so that's it. I know a lot of you guys are new. I think 30 people subscribed to me after my AP score reaction video, but I want to make a Q&A for you guys so that you guys can get to know me better. So leave questions in the comment section below and I will definitely answer them. They can be academic, like relating to the AP video, or they can be more personal. I guess just stuff you want to know about me. Because there's so many new people, I don't know what you guys want to see. So if you guys have video suggestions, they can again be more academic or just school in general. I guess beauty suggestions, lifestyle suggestions, fashion, or just like life videos, things you guys want to know, or just funny videos that you guys have seen, or trendy stuff that you would like to see me do. Turning 16, I don't really feel that much of a difference. When I was younger, turning birthdays used to be more, oh, I'm older, yay, more responsibility, oh, I can sit in the front of the car now, or like whatever. But now that I'm 16 and I'm graduating high school in less than 2 years, that's insane to me. And because I don't really know what I want to do with my future, it's just like I'm getting closer and closer to doomsday. But I hope in this year, in my 16th year of life, I can figure out what it is I want to do. I can find a really true burning passion, or I guess discover myself more. Anyway, I'm not 15 anymore, I'm 16. I got something yesterday that I thought I would die without, or at least go to college without, and that's an Instagram. So I have an Instagram. I'll link it below if you guys want to follow me. I haven't posted anything yet, or maybe I have. But yeah, go follow me. It's _joyzo. Yeah, and I look forward to seeing you guys there too. Thank you so much for watching. If I end the video here, please like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, comment the video suggestions and questions for the Q&A, and I will definitely look at those. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back. And yeah, bye. Oh, the lighting here is really good.
Get going!
The ocean is nice.